Okay, here you go. I saw one crab. Where you go? It's right here. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. And now he hide himself. Oh wow. He go down. Now I can see him. Before he's hunting the fish. Maybe he was hungry. Hopefully I saw him again. There is small fishes. I think he's inside there, but he don't want to come out. It's fine, just chill. That was crab, right? Yeah. I'm wondering that I can see him again. I don't think so. Let's see whether a minute if you come, then it's fine. Otherwise, I will move from here. But there are small fishes that you can see in the camera. If there you can see. I'm moving very slowly. Because this is the end of the water area, so here you can see in this area you will find very small fishes, not the big one. Well, nobody can catch fishes here in this beach because prohibited. What we can see is that's what is the weather. Now sun is coming down, so waters look like that. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's Marino, and this is the UV flag, and there you can see those beautiful buildings. This is Cornish area. So if I zoom out, it's look like this far. This much far is this. I now see the crab again. That was actually small crab, but at least I saw him in water. Oh, look at the man, what he's doing. Oh, it's amazing. I saw first time here. Oh wow. Actually there's two of them. Maybe couple or maybe friends. They're enjoying a lot. Oh my goodness. Abu Dhabi parasol. Wow. Nice. This is first time we have seen here in this beach. Wow, amazing. Look at that, how fast they're moving. Look at this view around this place. It's very beautiful. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like it. If you like, then please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. You can see a view, beautiful view. There is sun. It's a very beautiful view, and the weather is quite nice because this is end of November, so look at that. Wow, amazing. See you till next, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.